Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to use the pen tool in this video tutorial to go along with your written instructions here. So first of all, you need to download this image of the basketball and also this image here of the bookshelf. Then you're going to go to your Photoshop. All you're going to do is go to File and open these two images. Okay, so here's the bookshelf and here is the basketball. So what I'm going to do is show you how to cut out this basketball and pop it on this bookshelf. Okay, so in the end, you're going to end up with a few different items on this bookshelf. So we are going to focus on the pen tool today. So first of all, I'm just going to get you guys to unlock your background layer. This is so we can make changes on it. And just making sure you've got your layers, channels, and paths open over here, that it's visible. If not, you might have to just go to your window and make sure your layers is selected and your adjustments and color like the normal. And also your history, if you'd like to have your history there. That's going to show you how to go back and change things like your undo. So make sure all of those are open or selected in the window section. Okay, now we're going to go to the pen tool, and I've got mine already selected on the curvature pen tool. If you want to change that, just right click and make sure you have the curvature pen tool selected. All right, so pretty simple, very much like Inkscape. If you used Inkscape before, you are just going to click and then you are going to drag it, and just pretty much you're going to be clicking around your basketball so that it is selected, and you're going to add new anchor points, and you don't have to go too crazy with them. You're just going to, and then sometimes when you change it, it does change, affect your other one. So we're going to go around. I might just do this a bit dodge so that we can get to where we want to get. Move that. So as you can see, you can change your anchor points around if you'd like. And then we're going to, can you see how this little circle pops up when I want to close my area? So you can still go back and add little anchor points and fix up what needs to be fixed up. But that's looking okay at the moment. So the next point is we are going to be up to step 3. So making sure this is over here to the right, we're going to go to our Paths tab. And as you can see, this is our working path, like what we've got selected so far. And we're going to right click and choose Make a Selection. Once you've done that, just press OK. Awesome. So this is what's going to happen now. You're going to have your marching ants showing that this is what you have selected. Because at the moment we're trying to get rid of the background, we are actually going to go back to our layers over here, and we're going to go to select. And now we're going to choose inverse, and that means it's going to now, as you can see, select the outside around. So it's inverted around the basketball. And making sure that your layer is unlocked, you're just going to press delete. Okay, and that's going to come up with this transparent background now. Awesome. So now we are going to go to step 7. So again, we're going to go to select all. Now everything is selected now. Go to edit and press copy. Okay. So what we've done so far, we've used the pen tool, we've clicked all the way around. We went to path. We then made a selection. We went over here and then deleted the background. And now we have selected all the background, and we're going to go to edit and copy. Okay, we're going to go to our bookshelf now, and we're going to press edit paste while we still have it copied onto our computer. So now we're going to go to this move tool. Okay, sometimes, hopefully this isn't selected, but this move tool is now selected, and you should have these little transform controls actually you can actually see them. To get them, yours might say show transform controls, or you might have this little symbol there, depending on which Photoshop version you have. So we obviously need to resize this now. So we're going to make sure to hold down Shift. Don't let go of Shift until you have absolutely finished resizing. So I'm still holding Shift even as I'm moving it. I just don't ever let go of Shift. Otherwise, you will warp your basketball. So when you're happy with about the size, okay, and you can let go of Shift once you're happy, and then press Enter. And that's going to kind of confirm your decisions. Okay, and pressing Enter confirms that you're happy with the size. And then you're going to pop it on your shelf. Cool. So I'd like you now to add another at least three objects and place them onto your bookshelf. And as you can see, this basketball has its own layer now. And I'm actually going to call that basketball. Okay, so it's really good to get into the habit of actually labeling your layers in Photoshop. Brilliant. When you want to save that, you're just going to, at the moment, you can save it in two different ways. File, let's just save as, and keep it as a Photoshop file if you'd like until you're finished with your actual image, once you finish all three. But if you have put 3 different items on there, just remember you can just flatten the image and all of them will be on the one layer, and then you can save it once you've done that as an actual JPEG image like it is. It'll come up straight away for me. So, and then rename it. So that is the beginning, the first step of understanding the pen tool. And I hope you guys have a good go at it and just print it off and then glue it in your book for me. Thank you.